Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Theme Park Tycoon 2. And yeah, we're about to do a tutorial. Welcome to Theme Park Tycoon 2. Tap build to get started. Get started building your park. Tap the rides button to build your first ride. Let's start us with the teacup ride. Drag it around to move it, or tap the screen. Build the teacups ride in the intended area by pressing the check mark. Okay. Build the entrance in the indicated area. Now build the exit the same way. All entrances need a queue for a guest. Cobble. Tap the queue path to instruct the queue. Build three paths connecting to the entrance and path. Tab a regular path. Okay, so the same thing. Close the path map. Tap on. Grab this soft drink stall. Put it right here. Tap the build button to leave. Again. Okay. My park has 0 stars. I want more stars on my park. Hey, there's people around my ride. Do I put more stuff down? I guess. It's just what I do from here. I want the space ring. Sorry if my game's lagging. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's being dumb. Ooh, space rings. I think I got the hang of this now. You place regular paths on the exit. I've been to multiple amusement parks. I know what to do. There has to be a queue path or it won't work. Okay. Now we open this. Okay. I want to ride it. Wait, can you ride it? Or is it like those other games where you can just... Oh, use this seat. I just tap it? Oh, I think I do. Alright. Toggle camera. Okay. Not that. Oh, God. Oh, no. What's going on here? What the... Help me. Whew. Okay, I'm just getting off. I'm about to get off, guys. What is that? I don't know. Build? What's this tree? On the tree. Oh, you can... Crystals! I want to add a crystal. I'll add a crystal right there. Crystal. Okay. A rock. Right there. I'm making scenery. What's wrong with me? Okay. I'll add. Now people can actually eat and have a drink. Where did it? Path cobblestone. I'm just gonna do that. Ride spiral slide. I want this. Okay. Boom. I'll put it over here. This right there. We unlocked 2 achievements. Unlock 2 achievements. Getting started. Get a park rating of at least 0.5. The park is growing. Get 3 stars. Okay. Okay, I think I have to do the same thing with the Q pass, right? All I have to do is that. Okay? Nope. Oh, I'm dumb. I do that. Open. I want to see someone go on. Go on. Go on the spiral slide. It's new. Yes, guys, Novi. Go on. Yes, new. What? Why'd you go on? Can I tap on it? We can. Guyo, you get over here. The spiral slide's too expensive? $9? What? $9 is expensive? 7? Is 7 good enough for you? That was just a default price. I'm sorry, sir. And that was too expensive. Will you go on? What? Hold on. Whoopsie. Okay, I fixed it. And no one's gone on my spiral slide yet. Finally, I'm lowering the price of this more because no one wants to go on it. If we're hungry, there's pizza. Do I have to add more? I'll add pizza. There's pizza right here and French fries. Will I seriously keep? Will the crystal make the park have light when it's dark outside? I'm gonna add crystals. Crystals everywhere. Boom. There's crystals everywhere. Woo. 10 rides, roller coasters. I don't have everything on there. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I might do another part on this because